the seas and oceans, and of course, the world of fairy tales. We are going to draw a beautiful mermaid together. After eyes and face, we will draw her beautiful head. Let's make our drawing more beautiful by drawing sea moss. Subscribe to see our other videos. And another one. Wonderful! Coloring time! This pink color is suitable for her face and body. Red color for her hair to give more charm to the drawing. Pink for this part of her dress. Green for the tail and pink for the end. This green color is for the boulder she's sitting on. And yellow for coloring the moss and sea plants. I'm sure your paintings are just as beautiful. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.